Ever wondered if your bank account could be a little less lonely? Perhaps you're thinking about sharing the financial journey with a partner, helping out a family member, or even just making it easier to manage household bills. It's a common question, and one that often leads to more questions. What are the benefits? What are the risks? And, crucially, can you even do it with a bank like Lloyds? Today, we're diving deep into the world of joint bank accounts, specifically focusing on the possibilities with Lloyds Bank. It's a topic that touches on trust, convenience, and sometimes a little bit of complexity. So, if you've ever contemplated bringing another person into your financial fold, stick around, because we're about to unpack everything you need to know. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, you absolutely can add someone to your bank account at Lloyds. This typically means opening a joint account. While you can't usually just add someone to an existing sole account, opening a new joint account effectively achieves the same goal of sharing banking facilities. This is a crucial distinction. When you open a joint account, both individuals become equal account holders, with equal access and equal responsibility. So, what are the primary reasons people choose to go down this path? The most common scenario is for couples managing shared expenses. Imagine rent, mortgage payments, utility bills, groceries, all coming out of one central pot, simplifying budgeting and reducing the hassle of transferring money back and forth. It's also incredibly useful for family members, perhaps an adult child helping an elderly parent manage their finances, or parents setting up an account with a child for pocket money and teaching financial responsibility. For housemates, a joint account can be a godsend for splitting shared living costs. Now, while the convenience is clear, it's vital to understand the implications. When you open a joint account, it means both parties have full access to the funds. Either person can deposit money, withdraw money, set up direct debits, and make payments. This mutual access is fantastic when trust is high, but it's where the equal responsibility part comes in. If one person overspends, or if there's an unauthorized transaction, both account holders are generally liable. This extends to overdrafts as well. If one person takes the account into an unarranged overdraft, both individuals are responsible for repaying it. What's the process like with Lloyds? Typically, both individuals will need to be present, either in a branch or through a video call, to open a joint account. You'll both need to provide identification, such as a passport or driving license, and proof of address. Lloyds, like other banks, has a robust process to ensure that both parties fully understand the terms and conditions of a joint account. They'll also conduct credit checks on both individuals. While one person having a less than perfect credit history might not prevent the account from being opened, it could impact things like overdraft limits. It's also worth considering what happens if circumstances change. What if you decide you no longer want a joint account? Closing a joint account usually requires the consent of both account holders. This is another safeguard, ensuring that neither party can unilaterally remove the other or empty the account. Similarly, if one account holder passes away, the funds in the joint account typically pass to the surviving account holder. It's always a good idea to discuss these scenarios up front to avoid any potential misunderstandings down the line. Ultimately, adding someone to your financial life through a joint bank account with Lloyds can offer significant benefits in terms of convenience and shared financial management. However, it's a decision that requires careful consideration, open communication, and a clear understanding of the shared responsibilities involved. It's a partnership, not just a shared account number. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.